me, Dustin Werbeski. These are my skates. This is where I live. Lately I've been skating in a lot of indoor park, as you've seen. Just testing the new carbon fibers. I've been granted the opportunity, which I'm very grateful for because they are one of the funnest skates I've ever skated. They're probably, there's no denying the fact that they're the lightest skates I've ever had. Very stylish skate. You got all the fixings, blah 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 blah. But a very simple, minimalistic design. Like all those shitty features, throw them out the window. You get a quality skate like this. There's no pump liners, there's no slidable, adjustable sole plates, like none of that. Cuffs, like movable cuffs. It's literally just the simplest skate design ever. Look, there's about half an inch of padding in the liner and it's like more than enough. I don't know what they did, but it's like the simplest and most amazing. You can go, oh, M12s are simple, but that's not very comfortable. This is amazing. These are the funnest skates I've ever skated. Yeah, definitely. Hope you get your pair soon, because I've had a lot of fun filming with mine, and I can't wait to get the finished product, because they're going to be amazing. There's no denying that when they're already this good. Alright. No, I'm done with this. This shit's shit, man. This is stupid.